8188. The following alteration was performed on an aircraft. A Model B engine weighing 175 pounds was replaced by a Model D engine weighing 185 pounds at -62.00 inch station. The aircraft weight and balance records show the previous empty weight to be 998 pounds and an empty weight CG of 13.48 inches. What is the new empty weight CG? A. 13.96 inches. B. 14.25 inches. C. 12.73 inches. The correct answer is C. 1,008 pounds are the new empty weight, and fuselage station 12.73 is where the new empty weight CG is located. 8189. If the empty weight CG of an airplane lies within the empty weight CG limits. A. It is necessary to calculate CG extremes. B. It is not necessary to calculate CG extremes. C. Minimum fuel should be used in both forward and rearward CG checks. The correct answer is B. If the empty weight CG of an airplane lies within the empty weight CG limits, it is not necessary to calculate CG extremes. However, if any weight is added or removed from the airplane, it will be necessary to calculate the CG extremes to ensure that the weight and balance of the aircraft remains within safe limits. As for the minimum fuel usage during both forward and rearward CG checks, it may depend on the specific aircraft and the manufacturer's recommendations. 8190. When computing the maximum forward-loaded CG of an aircraft, minimum weights, arms, and moments should be used for items of useful load that are located aft of the A. Rearward CG limit. B. Forward CG limit. C. Datum. The correct answer is A. When computing the maximum forward-loaded CG of an aircraft, minimum weights, arms, and moments should be used for items of useful load that are located aft of the rearward CG limit. This is because if the CG is loaded too far forward, it can cause the aircraft to be unstable, making it difficult or impossible to control. By using the minimum weights, arms, and moments for items located aft of the rearward CG limit, it ensures that the CG remains within the safe range. The datum is the reference point from which all measurements are taken, so it is not directly related to the calculation of the maximum forward-loaded CG. 8M forward-loaded CG. 8191. Find the empty weight CG location for the following tricycle-gear aircraft. Each main wheel weighs 753 pounds. Nose wheel weighs 22 pounds. Distance between nose wheel and main wheels is 87.5 inches. Nose wheel location is plus 9.875 inches from datum, with 1 gallon of hydraulic fluid at minus 21.0 inches included in the weight scale. A. Plus 97.375 inches. B. Plus 95.61 inches. C. Plus 96.11 inches. The correct answer is C. The empty weight CG location for the tricycle-gear aircraft would be plus 96.11 inches from the datum. 8191-1. An aircraft's LEMAC and TEMAC are defined in terms of distance. A. From the datum. B. From each other. C. Ahead of and behind the wing center of lift, respectively. The correct answer is A. LEMAC and TEMAC are indeed defined in terms of distance from the datum point, not from each other or in relation to the wing center of lift. The LEMAC, leading edge mean aerodynamic chord, is the distance from the datum point to the leading edge of the mean aerodynamic chord of the wing, while the TEMAC, trailing edge mean aerodynamic chord, is the distance from the datum point to the trailing edge of the mean aerodynamic chord of the wing. 8191-2. If an aircraft CG is found to be at 24% of Mach, that 24% is an expression of the A. Distance from the TEMAC. B. Distance from the LEMAC. C. Distance from the datum. The correct answer is B. Finding the percentage of Mach, the distance between the LEMAC and the TEMAC, is used to estimate the location of an aircraft whose CG is reported as a percentage of Mach. This distance, as measured from the LEMAC, is where the CG is situated.